part basically where I've sanded down the edges, and I'm starting all of this to obviously sand it and weld it. And welding here is, you know, I'm not an amazing welder, but what I've learned is welding here is, and learning from JIT, is that this is very, very thin, and then this metal is thick. So you gotta really take your time here. I don't know if that's something that we've told you guys in the past, but definitely take your time, low heat, and that's basically the start of it. So now I'm gonna start banging it and molding it. And this little corner didn't come out the way we liked it, but I'm basically gonna just put like a little plate against this, because this corner, the grinder kept hitting the roof and it wouldn't grind correctly. But we're gonna make just like a little plate on this edge, but basically this will meet here, put a little bead across here, and then the top plate, the goal is for the top plate to rest right against the edge of this plate, so that
and then you beat this from the top.
Yeah, I'm gonna like hammer this and mold it and stuff like that. Yeah.
That's cool. Yeah, this one ain't easy. But that's the main hard. This is the hardest part about our drive kit. This part right here. And trust me, it's worth it. Just put the work in. Don't half step it. All right.
Yeah. Where's Sone?
Sone's over there. Big Mike. Getting this thing cleaned up.
Yeah, getting everything ready. We got all the, you know, front end suspension, subframe, everything ripped out.
Yeah.
We're gonna work on the rear now. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna put the ALPHA6 Trailing Arms on.
Yeah.
And then once we get those on, then we can start getting the placement and everything right for the diff. You know, and make sure that we have everything lined up for axle clearance, and get all the other parts in there that we need, so we can get this rear end set up.
I know, right? Yeah. Let's go ahead. Mike's taking off those pieces because when the diff goes up here, it will just cause more clearance for the axle.
Yeah, better axle
You wanna
clearance.
go do that to mine?
Trying to get everything out.
Cut yours?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go cut mine. Yeah, same thing. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, do yours first, obviously.
Well, I gotta finish that other side.
Alright.
Put the trailing arms on this. So guys, we're back here. We're getting the ALPHA6 trailing arms on. This is our EG build that we're working on with the 4G63 swap. So just getting everything bolted up and ready to go.
Getting all those control arms, the ALPHA6 arm, trailing arms. This one's over his arm.
I just gotta build the camber kit.
He's gonna build a camber kit and put the camber kit on, but yeah. This one is coming to get it real swift. Probably there, mopping up the engine and doing the mounts. That's gonna be the hardest part.
Yeah, that'll be next. We're just gonna start with the rear end first, and then once we get done with that, we'll move on to the front end, work on the engine and everything.
You see here, he's cut off these 2 points right here, so we can have more
Axle clearance.
axle clearance. Yep. Coming together.
Hi, TK.
What's up, fam?
What are you doing?
Getting these packages ready. 2 full 3-inch tubes and 3 all-wheel drive kits and 2 sets of arms.
Where are they going?
They're going out to 4-inch speed in Canada. What's up, John? Your stuff is getting packed up. Check it out. 3-inch, all 3-inch, all 1310. He's getting cast arms. He's getting 2 tubular kit, 1 EM2 RX kit, and some OEM arms. Thank you guys for the love and support. We appreciate it always.
So under here, I'm starting the cover plate process, since the bracing point is almost done, and I clean up all this extra stuff like with a chisel like this kind of, and I just go at it and just keeps peeling away and peeling away, basically because I have to sand this and make a nice clean surface to weld. And then we also, I don't know if I said before, but I also am gonna put like a silicone around the edge after I weld, yeah, to make like a watertight. But yeah, this is for this portion right here. So right now I'm gonna clean and start molding this to get it to get like a really nice fit, so there's no gap and stuff like that. But yeah, I want to start molding it and cleaning it all up, so that's the next step right there.
We are getting ready to bolt up the FCS subframe here in the EG Civic that we're going to be doing the 4G63 swap on. We just want to get an idea of the clearance for the engine as well as the transfer case housing. So we're just gonna bolt this up and see where we're at, and then work on building the mounts and everything for it.
This one's threaded good.
Yep. So we're going to go through here and just kind of show you the whole process of everything, you know, with this build, and you know, with what our plan of action is for the engine mounts and drivetrain. So we'll go through step by step and just, you know, give you some pointers and give you some ideas of what it takes to get this swap in here.
If you decide to do it one day. Oh, that's not screwing in one. Okay. All right.
Yeah, so that's going to actually be part of where the lower control arm assembly is going to mount from.
Okay.
So that mounts off from the bottom there.
And the steering
rear,
rack.
Yeah, so it comes with the brackets and everything for the steering rack. You have to weld those on, so we're going to work on, you know, getting all that set into place and you know, get all those brackets done. Also the rear bracket for the engine, so we're gonna take care of that as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the problem. So, let's see. So this is very good, Pablo.
All done.
See the sensor there.
You guys see that we cut this down?
Yeah, cut it down just like on this one.
Don't forget, guys, if you're gonna put these on without axles in or anything, and you want to go front wheel drive, users in the rear, you have to get stubbies. No stubbies in, the bearings are just gonna get loose and make noise and all that.
It's gonna come apart.
Kaboom. So yeah,
That's it.
Pablo, it's coming to you. Very nice.
Since you're in Florida, you should have it real soon.
I know, right? We're in Florida, easy.
Somewhere close to like Gainesville.
Gainesville?
I think, I don't know. No, maybe he moved. I don't know. Not Gainesville, Jacksonville.
Jacksonville, yeah. That's
Daytona area, I think.
Daytona area.
He might have moved to Orlando.
Guess who's going to Daytona area tomorrow, this weekend? Chad is. To go deliver these, Chad. Person.
Yeah. I don't know where that. No.
We're taking these mounts off on the side so we can bring the card down a little bit to just see what we're working with, according with the space.
Yeah, just going to kind of test fit everything in the engine bay and see where we're at with clearance and see what we need to do to get some mounts made for this setup.
Alright. Some mount brackets, right? Because so we're going to use these mounts, just we're going to make our brackets around them.
Yeah, so we're just going to make basically custom brackets so that we can still use these mounts.
Big cams, boy. Cam gears are so big on this thing. You're gonna take this one off also. I'll just probably leave that one on.
That one I think we can leave on because that should come
It should cover right there.
I just need to make sure that the cam cover is good on this side.
Let's hit the trans. Let's see. Probably need to come over a little bit more because for it to go down there. Probably right there, the tunnel.
Yeah. I just want to make sure that this isn't going to hit when we lower it down somewhere.
Oh shit, I'm not it's gonna hit probably.
Once we get it up in 5 minutes.
Alright. Can we drop this down? Can this come out? Yeah, the transfer is way off. Transfer is like over here, so that means this one's cut off. This gonna get cut off. Yeah, that gotta get cut off.
So that's gonna get cut off. It's gonna have to shift over to the left more.
Yep. That's gonna be gone. Yeah, this one should be flush with right here. I mean, maybe. No, it's not gonna be flush. It's gonna be over a little bit more because the transfer is right there and the tunnel is right there. Yeah, this is gonna come close. Yep.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to go and
take that one off.
take this mount
And
off.
grab Sone.
And then go from there.
Time to drill it out. Tomorrow we're gonna continue and take this out. And we don't know if we're gonna remove this one yet, but we're definitely gonna take this one out so we can bring the engine up as you guys are seeing. So today we have put the control arms, trailing arms arm, lower control arm. We're gonna be using ours right here, but just for now. We got this other side on too. So we thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. We're gonna keep you abreast with everything that's going on here at the shop. Thank you.
Changing the game, that's when always will. Got them cars killing speeds and just sound like artillery. It's all will indeed, almost like a war machine, like it's meant for the infantry, Air Force, Navy, Army, and Marines. Now they clock triple-digit speeds, and they got them on the bases. Must be all the innovation. Watch them racing information. Got the gauges twitching crazy, switching up the pace, shifting in a Civic or an S2K.